How to cut a whole chicken. How do you cut a whole chicken? Welcome to Ama Cooks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a whole chicken exactly the way you want it. So let's dive right in. So we have our whole chicken here that we are going to cut into pieces exactly we want it. Anyway, when you buy this, it's full. It's a full whole chicken. You make sure that you wash it well. It comes with the intestine as well, which is in this one. You just open this and then wash everything out nicely. Make sure you get a very sharp knife before you start. I have a little chef knife also here that I use sometimes if there is a bones or something in a meat that I wanted to cut it easy instead of using this knife. So I have this as well just in case I need it. So now once you wash your chicken, let it dry out well. Make sure you don't still have any feathers or things in there which you will find sometimes. So just make sure everything is clean all neatly. I start with the wings. we cut our whole chicken, and this is what it looks like. After you cut it, you wash everything, all the juice from it, you wash it nicely. So this is the end product, and you can see we have our 2 thighs here. We have the 2 wings, which comes with this little middle part, these 2 here. We have the back of the chicken, the neck, back, and then we have the breast, 2 breasts, but we cut 1 in pieces. So this is the pieces of this full breast here, and then we have the other side of the chicken all here. So that's how you cut a whole chicken. You can recut this into pieces if you want, whichever size you want it, but you have your whole chicken. With this, you even save money more than going to the market to buy a chicken breast, because with the chicken breast, it's more expensive if you compare it to buying a whole chicken and then cut your own thing. Other wings, things that you can use for soup, for stew, for anything you want to use it for. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to grow the channel. Like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below for me. Always, you can wear a gloves. Not everybody likes to touch fresh chicken like this, so if you're not comfortable doing it, that's okay. You can buy your chicken breast whatever at the market, but if you do, it's, for me, it saves you a lot of money. The way you want it, you will have every piece you want. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.